Hey, this is Jermaine and Ben, and we're here at Good Ranchers, and I'm going to show you my favorite meal to make with our Good Ranchers Black Angus top sirloin.
The very first ingredient, which is the most important, is the protein. Black Angus top sirloin. Look at those beauties right there. These are right out of the freezer. We're going to throw these in some water, room temperature in a second. Give them about 30 minutes to thaw, and then I'm going to take you through the ingredient list. We've got black pepper, salt, brown sugar, onions chopped big, minced garlic, shredded ginger, sesame seed oil, and soy sauce. So, pro tip, we took it frozen right out of the freezer, put it in a bowl of room temperature water. About 20 minutes, it thawed all the way through. That's the beauty of our vacuum seal technology. Look at those beauties. Black Angus sirloin, like we said before. All we're gonna do, sirloin always has a fat cap on it. I like to cut that first fat cap off, and then just gonna cut into thin strips, just like this. Always cut against the grain. If you've ever watched any of our tutorial videos, we always tell you cut against the grain. We're doing little thin strips just like that. Gonna do a whole bunch of them. Thin, beautiful strips. Speaking of marbling, look at the marbling in that Black Angus sirloin right there. That is beautiful. All that right there, those are little bursts of flavor in your mouth.
Once we get that done, we're going to go ahead and add our ingredients and let it marinate for just a little bit. We're going to add some black pepper, add some brown sugar, a little bit of salt. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our soy sauce, and then the sesame oil. And we're going to mix that all up and let it sit there and marinate. One tip with your wok is make sure it's very, very hot. Fire! The key to making great ginger beef is to get a nice caramelization of the meat. So get your wok super hot. Okay, now that the meat has started to brown, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add our onions in here, our grated ginger here, we're adding our grated ginger, and then chopped garlic. Then we wanna mix it all up, make sure we're mixing it. Now that the meat is just about finished, we're gonna add 1 stick of butter. Let that get in there. Some soy sauce. And then we are going to squeeze 2 lemons